Deep nose blackhead removal. Every pore finally cleared. Beginning your deep nose blackhead journey. The nose is one of the most common and frustrating areas for blackheads. Many people I've helped felt self-conscious about those stubborn plugs on their nose until they saw every pore finally cleared through consistent, gentle care. This guide focuses specifically on deep nose blackhead removal with realistic steps, safe techniques, and a human touch for satisfying, long-lasting clear skin. Why the nose gets so many blackheads? The nose has more active oil glands and is exposed to dirt, pollution, and makeup. When sebum mixes with dead skin and oxidizes, it forms noticeable blackheads. Deep removal here requires extra care because the skin is thinner and more visible. Understanding your nose skin patterns, hormones, oily skin type, touching your face, or using heavy products often worsen nose blackheads. Observing when they appear most helps personalize your routine and makes the transformation feel more achievable and less overwhelming. Essential preparation for nose extraction. Always wash your face with a gentle cleanser first. Then steam the nose area specifically. Lean over hot water or use a warm towel for 8 to 10 minutes. This softens deep plugs inside nose pores for easier, safer removal. Safe step-by-step nose extraction. Sterilize a cum-done extractor. After steaming, gently press around each blackhead on the nose with light pressure. Work pore by pore from the sides toward the center. This methodical approach gives that satisfying feeling as each plug comes out cleanly without damaging delicate nose skin. Clay mask treatment for nose pores. Apply a bentonite clay mask specially on the nose after steaming. Let it dry 10 to 15 minutes to draw out deep impurities. Rinse and follow with a thin layer of raw honey to soothe and prevent bacteria. This step enhances clearance of stubborn nose clogs. Using salicylic acid daily for nose clarity. Cleanse the nose twice daily with a salicylic acid cleanser. It penetrates and dissolves oil inside pores. On extraction days, this preps the area perfectly for deeper, more effective nose blackhead removal. Turmeric honey nose treatment. Mix turmeric powder with raw honey and a drop of lemon. Apply as a targeted nose mask for 10 minutes after extraction. This natural blend reduces inflammation and brightens the nose area as pores clear. Green tea soothing for nose skin. Use cooled green tea as a toner on the nose daily. It controls oil production and calms post-extraction redness. For extra help, use it with a soft scrub weekly on the nose. Aftercare to keep nose pores clear. Apply aloe vera gel or light moisturizer right after nose treatment. Always use sunscreen on the nose during the day. Proper aftercare prevents new clogs and helps pores look smaller and refined. Weekly routine for nose transformation. Dedicate 1 session per week to deep nose extraction combined with masks and daily salicylic acid. Take close-up progress photos of your nose. Consistency leads to every pore finally cleared and smoother skin. Lifestyle tips supporting nose clarity. Stay hydrated, reduce dairy and sugar if they trigger oiliness, change pillowcases often, and avoid touching your nose. These habits support your extraction efforts for complete nose skin improvement. When to get professional nose extraction. If nose blackheads are very deep or numerous, visit a dermatologist or esthetician. Professional tools and techniques ensure safe, thorough clearance without scarring. Embracing your clear nose results. Be patient and kind to your skin during this process. Each cleared pore on the nose builds confidence. With gentle, consistent care, you'll finally achieve that smooth, clear nose you've been wanting. Word count, approximate 10-20. Every pore finally cleared. If this deep nose blackhead removal satisfied you, like this video right now, subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly extreme blackhead extractions. Tell me in the comments, which part shocked you the most. Next one is going to be even deeper. Don't miss it.